So it claims it is streaming. Yep, all good. Alright. Loop-de-loop. What's going on here for this? Okay. Let's see, stolen stupid. Anyway, let's see what we do. So, okay, let's try and pull all the good shit out. Main. So now we're in main. Maining. So now when we open, we see what dashboard students are jazz. I don't like the parent guardian thing here, but it's temporary. Temporary shih tzus. Right, so one of the things we're gonna do and add. Actually, let me get Kate open for just stupid notes. So first, make the notification tables and then make the classrooms stuff. There. So well, this is. Does anybody hate the music or like the music anyway? The tables for sure. Yep. Great. Already not doing good. Not doing it. Jesus. To be sure. Yes, go, damn it. Yeah. Fuck off. Now, Firefox. Alright. Shutting this for a second. I guess we can see later what kind of weird stuff this is. Okay. Gonna make the type of the notification of the listeners text as well. Hey. Let's see. This is a test. Do a lot of Mipsum just for the kick of it. Oh, can I do this? Oh, if I can do the fonts too, that's gonna be ridiculous. Okay. Alright, so now this is gonna be in the dashboard, so let's see what we're gonna do for the dashboard. So far it's nothing. Oops. So far we don't have much with this, we just have these weird things. But those are actually good, but I don't remember where it was. Oh yeah, there were cards. So yeah, we'll keep them as cards. Grid markups, yeah, that's what I like that. So no, I don't do grid markup. I'm gonna do this thing. So I know what this will be. Created. What the hell was it? Created. Funny, now I can actually see it. That's right. So that's how it's supposed to look like. Now, once dashboard loads, so I'm gonna be taking the meds. Right, so that was whenever. I got the new click new students low. Now where are the loaded? There's some Load, yeah, load all students, click, clicks, 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 clicks. Again, loads. Okay, so I'm gonna. Aha, I should probably move this elsewhere. Yes. No teacher calendar page. Yeah, this will be another one of those events. Another one of those lovely events. Okay. Now we have. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And nope. Load notifications on dashboard. I should load dashboard. We should just have dashboard stats. Oh, come on. I hate when it does this, but no, whatever. Whatever. So it's not gonna be students. Oh, we also need to do role-based access control. Shit. Yeah, we're gonna need to do that for the teachers should be able to see notifications, but not all students should be able to see notifications. Alright. I remember I had stuff here like yeah, where's the no, not the API stuff. API, yes, there we go. So students and teachers can see these things, but only teachers can edit. Okay. So it's not this collection, it's how we do without, yeah, that's what we do. I really should turn that shit off, it's really annoying, god damn it. Yes, baby. That's what I want. And oh, nothing. That's right, because it didn't tell it to do nothing. I actually want to add more stuff so we can just not have it be that annoying. this, yes. Yeah, I should put no fuck. Should put in a different div. Should give it an ID as well. Still yellow. There. I don't want that. Shut up. What's so let's yeah, notifications. This will be able to be put adding more of them. Okay. Right. So yeah, no, this won't be done. Yeah. No. Yeah, no, this goes away. This will be done server side. Stupid brain did not think about this. Yeah, dash. Yeah, we already have it. I'm stupid. I'm not even thinking straight. Navbar, sidebar, layout. Yes, that is where it should be. Data is only this thing. We should also get these babies. So now dashboard baby, you're gonna be getting a whole bunch of new shit. I wonder if it's gonna get bothered now that it's not an async function in the thingy. Alright, let's try again. There we go. Thank goodness we're getting error messages because should be. Actually, yeah, I'm stupid. I shouldn't be doing like that. Alright, let's see if you can do it now. Alright, so title. Red. Really? We need that? Okay, let's see this. Yo, what's up, my boy? All good, all good. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, and all that shit. Doing some programming. Trying to get my silly little CMS working. For now, getting errors, but the good stuff is gonna be going. I wanna see if I'm gonna be able to get my messages from here instead of. No, I'll have to be coming back and forth here to see your messages. Happy New Year indeed. Alright. So now, yeah, find record. Yeah, that's not how what it is. It's something else, isn't it? Find record ID. I guess this is why we have documentation, and that's a good thing. Where was it? Record operations. Get string, gets. Fetch records. That's one. Find record, find first. Fetch multiple records. Not bad, dude. Got records, find all records. There we go. Find all records, is that what we want? We'll do this later. Find all records. Yeah, why not? Find all records. So. Yeah, we don't want those things here that don't work. Match. Expect. Find all records here. We should look at what that is because it's gonna be there. By the way, this is all we have. This is all the documentation that you're like, hey, look at this. What is this? There's weird stuff. Shit all over the place. Weird shit all over the place. What was it again? Find all records. Find all records. There we are. Find all records. Collection or manufacture. Whoops. Not the rest of it. Yeah, are these like neat? No. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, just straight up. Just straight up. So yeah. No. Never mind. Notifications from here. Yeah. Fuck off. Is that gonna work or is this just gonna crash more? Yeah. Anyway. Let's see now. What do we get? Oh no! Fuck off. Fuck off. Second. What's a CMS, bro? Content management system. Think whenever you have a blog and you need data to be on that blog, that all that stuff is handled somewhere. So we're just handling everything. So look at this. We have classrooms, we have students, we have teachers, because this is a CMS for my mom's school. But we have a whole bunch of stuff here. This is all just the back-end stuff. We want to be able to see it here. No, this won't be. Let me just show really quick what this is supposed to look like. Wait, where did we? I messed something up here, right? Okay, so just a sec. Yeah, let me show you. Let me show you what it's supposed to look like for the normal users. So we're just programming. We're just programming all this stuff here, where you can just click stuff and do stuff, etc., etc. So all of this stuff. So like nobody's supposed to be touching stuff like that. Right? Like, all this stuff is. So that's what we're doing. We're doing this stuff. No, they don't own a school. It's a private institution for foreign languages. Foreign language school. Private foreign language school. Let's get this back now. See what the heck we're doing. Let's see, now we're just making the dashboard reload all the time and it's just going to be crashing, but every single error we get new stuff. There we go, okay. Function call parameter, okay. Should get this first. I really hate all this Copilot self-completion BS stuff. No DTX wisdom. Okay, I'm gonna remove this because I don't know what it is. That might have been the thing causing us problems. Oh, it was. There we go. Perfect. Yeah, so now. Oh shit! How do we make this work now? Well, we're gonna move. I'm gonna need to do. What's its name? Templates. Everyone's favorite templates. HTML text templates. Goodness. We have for loops in here. Please just tell me we have for loops in here. Ah, they have breaks? Ah, right, yes! Oh, that's good. Alright, we'll be able to figure out how this works later. There's a lot of stuff I'm just putting over later. Why are you using AI? I use AI sometimes when needed. I'm old-fashioned. I keep just using, you know, good old trusty Google. Hey, how to get JavaScript date. See, the first thing it doesn't even show me Stack Overflow. The first thing is, you know, W3 schools. And there's a lot more stuff here. It's not. It's the same. It's samey. It's samey. You use AI, you don't. Now, where were we? We were here now. Good news is we're getting all the notifications. Bad news is now how do we just render it into the layout here. Let's do one. Let's do one for testing. Let's see. So we're pushing it in the notifications part. That's okay. So we don't need this. Good. I don't need this either. So we're now pushing them. Haha, so data, yeah, now we need the other ones. Yeah, not like that, not like that. But thank you, Copilot. Now we just take whatever is here and put it in here. Let's see. Title. Create. Notifications. One. Yeah. Oh, thank you for responding with what exactly. Yeah, I will need this. Yeah, thank you. Fuck off. Yeah, sorry. Mistake. Sorry, you asked, yeah. Could be using agentic AI so much, can't make stuff on my own anymore. It seems if I try to, it just takes so much time. Can always try on your own pace. It makes time, yes. Pretty much, Zach, pretty much. But I do think it's annoying that, yeah, see that right beneath it where it's italic, that's just Copilot running. It's just like, oh, I know what you're gonna write, so I'm just writing it for it. I don't like it that much. Not body text, title. And yeah, on all those things, yeah, all these are just AI recommending completing stuff. We've been having IntelliSense on Java and stuff for years. It's not that much different, it's just more annoying now that you have to be more conscious of that. I guess. I don't know. I don't think this is gonna do anything. Good, more errors. I like it when we get errors. Notification of the yeah, what did I Spelling does not exist in this place. There's notifications, yeah, all these ones. That was easy. Yeah, I like it when stuff is easy. I like it when stuff just works. Click, 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 boom, it just works. But I should be happy that Pocket Base is working also as well as it does. I just learned Python and somehow stumbled upon this live stream. Hello! How are you doing? Python is great to start in. Tried using it to help me with Python and it confused me. It's tricky. It's tricky. I literally just saw. Wait, I just saw somebody made a video about this. And I was watching it. Yeah, what was it? The fun way to learn programming. And it's like any language you choose, like any language, but it does have some good steps that they recommend. They have some good steps that they recommend. For example. There we are. Yeah, first things.
If you want to do it properly, don't just blindly follow whatever they do.
Yeah, see that. So they would tell you stuff, write this and that, but then because you realize, oh, I just clicked the button and it ran. It's not just that I copied and pasted; it ran it. So after that, when you get comfortable, what if I just instead of put input, enter your birth year and age equals 2020 minus birth? What happens if I put something else and then you're running and then you see exactly how it works? That's how you learn. It's yeah, just as they say, understand what you're doing and personalize and make small projects. Make tiny little things. Even the smallest things will do just good. Anyway, food time BRPC is Zach. What's your background when you're learning Python? Are you a programmer or are you doing math, data science, or stuff other like that? Could be nice to know. Something interesting here also is that it's not doing that. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. It's not rendering the HTML. That's gonna prevent, I guess, injections and stuff. But it could be doing injections. Whatever. All right. I should figure out how to do that. Yeah. Let's see. So it's all of it escaped characters. Yeah. No. Because body takes this. Oh goodness. Sorry for this, I'm gonna have to do a little pause. Hey. Hey. Okay, sorry about that, guys. My dad called me, but didn't call me. Right, maybe it was a jump call. Okay. So now body text. Okay, body text. Now, I wonder if is it in. Okay, so here it's rich text, and it returns it as that. Okay. So. Rich text. How do we do? Okay, now we get to ask ChatGPT if we really needed them. Always been interested in computers, did some programming back then, but that was 30 years ago. Wanted to do IT in work and decided to randomly choose Python. Not a bad choice, I guess. Not a bad choice. I personally hate it. Just it does a lot of annoying things. It's such a scripting language, but you know, it literally does everything. So, not a bad idea to choose it. Now we'll need to use ChatGPT for this because I just don't. ChatGPT. Okay. I receive a rich text string in bucket base. Alright, here we go. I need to do it again, just a second. αν σταζαρώ εγώ το YouTube κανάλι μου. Ξέρεις ποιο είναι το YouTube κανάλι μου, δεν ξέρεις? Ή δεν το έχεις? Okay, άντε. Hi, no. Ωραία. Thank yous. Okay, so. Ωραία. Hey, okay, thank you. Και εγώ σε βλέπω. Okay, bye bye. Yeah, sure. Ναι. Ωραία. Back to coding. Λοιπόν, thank yous. See ya. Okay. Ωραία. Okay. Alright, sorry about that, guys. Had Scata. What the heck? Anyway, sorry about that, guys. We're back. Λοιπόν, now, let's see. Where were we? ChatGPT, yeah. Pocket base. If I receive it, my pocket base collection. How do I render it in the HTML? Oh shit, what was it? The HTML template and text and whatever this is. Jeez, I'm not even writing good stuff. I'm not even happy about this. I'm using freaking ChatGPT. Hey, hi back. What's up, Zach? Let's see. Tell the users to make a better to do not do this on chat. Shut up. I can do this. It will render properly. How? Alright, sure. We will sanitize, that's not the problem here. Rich text to web page. Yeah, okay, so let's inspect this again and just make sure whatever the hell I'm talking about it just makes sense or it doesn't. I don't think this will be the thing that'll fix it, but no, this won't be the thing that'll fix it, but okay. Let me just try this. No, didn't do shit. No, it's just not in the P. Back where you were. Let's see. If you guys have any recommendations, by the way, you can send them. You can send them over. We'll do whatever you guys say. Let's see. Here it has the examples for Go. And I'm trying to write it in the Pocket-based JavaScript backend thing. That's what this thing is. This is all just one big JavaScript file that's running in the backend of Pocket-based. So now we have the rich text. We are doing HTTP contacts HTML with this. Template load files. How about the code for a Pocket base? PB.js. Will do that. Also, you can shit. I have no idea what's going on yet. What's going on is I'm making this thing for my mom. It's my mom has a foreign language course, so she has we got this, just a CMS. It's a CMS, nothing else. Now, let's see. I need to figure this out. figure this out. And this is not even important. Like, have like these that I had make the classroom stuff. I'll do the classroom stuff, but I want to do this. I don't know. I really got stuck with not trying to make this HTML to render. All right. Legit though, why? Like, hold on a second. Like, okay, hold on. If here I inspect and I just let's add some more stuff in here. Edit as HTML, alright. Again, like you'll do these, yeah, which just makes sense. We'll do like H1, yeah, this will work, right? Okay. I guess this is a good thing because it's so bad it doesn't sanitize the thing. Alright, sanitize HTML. Oh goodness. Purify with DOM purifier. Are you shit? No, no. I don't want to do this. I legit do not want to do this. Let's go to make richer in pocket base. Alright, I'll do it. Sanitize HTML that just is purified. Sanitize HTML for. Should also put div in here. Purify and sanitize with this, and it's this, and okay. All right. Let's do this. Let's be stupid about this. Hi, Dad. No, don't worry, Dad. You just sit back and watch. Everything's gonna be there. I'm not sorry, Dad. I'm not gonna show how we connect to our VPN. This is once this video is done and once I'm finished. I won't be staying here for long, just for half an hour or a little bit more. So afterwards we'll get to talk on how to do the deployments. Deployments in production are blue and green and red is my attitude. Blue is what the hell that laptop is, and anyway, what am I even saying? Anyway, so let's see. So let's do it right above this one so we can have this. I hate this. Wait, what the heck? Didn't I tell this one's too? Jesus. This one's too. Hey. I'm starting to lose my patience with this stuff. Thank you. Jesus. God. Sanitize this. Is this gonna work? Like legitimate? Did it download? I don't think this is gonna work. Oh, forgot to put div. I should put div in here too. Where's it here and I can't see it? No. So yeah, body tech. Let's do it. Let's do it. Yeah. I don't think this will work. Is that I'm supposed to do the thing that it says it does? No. It's a good thing we're crashing. File not found. What? File not found. What not found? Pretty sure it just crashed because it didn't find these things. That's just got that. Yeah, well, don't worry. He's slow at reading chat. Sopa. You're gonna have to endure this, bud. Sanitize my stamina. Pretty sure it just didn't work. The thing is not gonna. Oh, even worse. Oh shit. The heck is it doing this thing? What the heck? Something not working? What the heck? Okay, let me just restart all the shits. Delete. I said delete. Oh my god. Delete. There we go. Jesus. Oh great, now it stopped working completely. I'm pretty sure it's something to do with these things. God damn it. Doom Shooter. I don't. Okay. I'm pretty sure this is just not doing the thing that I wanted, and I'm just being really slow and doing stupid things. Okay. Okay, I just need to see where in this part it just transforms it into weird stuff. So let's just log. This thing. Let's just delete this completely. It's already gonna have this, so I don't think we gotta worry about anything with this. Oops, just that. We actually do need this. Brain not working. Okay, so it does all this, so it does have all of its. Oh shit, what is it? What is it? What data type is it? Shit. Oh. Console log, shit, what was the type thing for JavaScript? I forgot. Shit. Type of, right. Just type type of, yeah, this thing, whatever this thing is. I want to know what it is. I hate this Copilot shit. It is a string. Just a plain old, okay, just plain old string. Okay, so now let's do this one. So once this is, it's done. So console log dashboard HTML. All right, let's try again. And okay, yes, I see how. Oh, wait, yeah. Wait. Okay, yeah, hold on. Yes, I see that. Okay. All right. All right, chat. I'm gonna need your guys' opinion on this. So, problem is, once it renders, it replaces all the things with these, which is what it should do. It should not. It should not be fucking around with the letter than and greater than tags. So. Should I just straight up replace them? I think that's a super bad idea. That's a super bad idea. I'm sure this is a super bad idea. Alright, what the heck? I gotta do it. Okay, so const HTML2 equals. Nope. It is just this. Now. Okay, so wait, is that the one? That can't be the one. String replace. What? Yeah, string replace. Whoops. Script. No, this one. Replace all. Yeah, okay. It doesn't really matter the top is that. No, it's fine. We figured out what it is. It's after this command, basically after this, like in here, body text, it's normal, like it has all the things. But as soon as it renders it, because it just gets the it'll turn them into these things. It'll turn them into ampersand, lesser than, ampersand, greater than, and that's it. Which is what it's supposed to do, because it just makes sure that it's sanitized. We don't want to do cross-site scripting. That's a good thing. But I wanna, I wanna ruin it. All right, let's ruin it. Let's replace all these. Oh goodness gracious me! This is not gonna. Okay. And yes, and that one. Yeah, there we go. Oh, this is gonna be so bad. Oh, this is gonna be so bad. Oh, let's see. Let's do this over. It's open. You want to ruin it? Yes. Okay. And the good news is it didn't do shit. The good news is it didn't do shit. When I mean like it's doing it properly, I mean it didn't do shit. So it's good that it didn't do shit. Wait, it did run properly. Like it didn't do that. Yeah, though it didn't run properly. It did run properly. Okay. Oh, do I have to put this like escape characters? No. Oh, really? Oh. Oh. I hate when the brain works and doesn't work at the same time. I mean, I love it when the brain works and it doesn't work at the same time. Let's try again. And still doesn't work. That I think that's a good thing for Also, I think it's just that I'm just chaining all these together and I shouldn't be. I think that's the main problem. I shouldn't be doing all these replace all one after the other. Like it's supposed to have the limiter notation. Oh, never mind. Oh, it did it. What is it? Oh. So why isn't it doing it now? Why isn't it doing anything? Oh, now we go. Okay, yay, we did it. Okay. Other one. We should change this into something more readable. So when you want to ruin it. Yes. When I say that it's working properly, it's that it's kind of thing like this is illegal. This is illegal shit. You see? Okay. This is illegal. This is great. So if anybody, Dad, if you're also what Babama Blevis, so this italics, this is AI guesswork. So the AI understands the thought process. This is illegal, but it works for now. I think everyone should become a programmer. Like, just don't waste time. Do anything. Learn C. Okay, legitimately. So for those watching, I do have a recommendation I would like to do. My friend Zach here knows exactly what I'm talking about, but yeah, I cannot shut up about this. This is like a really good website for, like, it has all the good things. And like if you learn C here, like if you want to learn C, yeah, the guy talked about Python. Awesome. If you go to tutorials point for Python, you'll definitely have good resources. But here, like it will do everything for you. You will learn everything. You will learn what it is from start to finish. Like here, it explains to you, you need this semicolon. Why do we need the semicolon? Anyway. So yeah, tutorials point, guys. Best learning resources ever. And I know you messed up here. Yeah, AI knows where I live. I hate AI. Okay, Zach, just to give you an idea, you see this line of code here? It just takes that SB. What is SB? It's sidebar. Basically because the sidebar, this thing, that's just this HTML thing. And there's like, here is the link. And it's this SB, just like the other thing was. It just constructs the string and then it just puts a little active afterwards, because that's the class for making it highlighted. So right now this is active, this is active, this is active, etc., etc. This can't be active because it don't exist right now. So that was interesting. Like, we can do, what else can we do here? We can like, oh, I can do this. Can I do this? No, it didn't work. Something else might be needed there. on black layer. Oh, I can do this too. Let's do this. Yeah, let's. I'm just testing a couple things here. Okay, so we will need to do a lot of stuff that needs to, but it doesn't matter. Okay, now I will change this later to something human readable. Now, what was I doing? I was doing shit here. Now, create it. We should change this into something better. Create a text. This thing in here. Okay, if I did some PHP work after all. Exactly, man. PHP, JavaScript, Spring Boot, whatever it is, it's the same fucking thing. Now, any good human readable shit for dates on JavaScript? Now, JavaScript date format. There we go. Now, oh, so it's so nice when they have shit here written so nicely. Tuesday then. Is that what I want? Yes. How do I do that format though? I want that format. Yeah, date format. Wait, what? The yeah. Don't judge me. You know I was gonna do this. Date format to long date format. Yeah. To locale, this is your number. The fuck? No. Including day name. Okay, so alright. Sure. Guess. Why do I have the music shut off? You guys are not listening to any music. Yeah, this thing. Best thing is this thing is gonna crash right now. Like I know this will probably crash. Let's add the day as well. Wait, what? Where I have this? Your month, weekday. Add another. Let's see. I want this thing to crash horribly. Disappointment ensues when it doesn't crash horribly. Don't you have a second? Nope. That's it. It's you're on the thing. It's all the thing, right? Just the thingies. You know what's easier? It's easier just to do this. Const a date. Now, what is it? I don't even remember what it is. Jesus. Okay, let's fine. Let's like this. D is this, yes, but what if I just put it like that? Would it just show up? Like, comment this out and then just date the the to date string. Wait, is that not the one that it's no, okay, to date, yeah, to time string. What about the time string? All right, one by one. Okay, to date string. To time string. To to time string. All right, and the other, there was the to locale, yeah, date string. I don't even do shit. Let's keep this for now. So this new notification came out. Perfect. So these things are okay. These things need to be added because so far right now the new students, for example, do not have the parents. How we do those? But we wanted another thing. We did this. Good. Classroom stuff. What are we gonna have in classrooms? That's my main question now. So we have classrooms. We do. Yeah. And we did have teachers and stuff. Yeah. So we do have what this is gonna be. Name, room 3, whatever. So these are a whole bunch of garbage that don't mean nothing. So I'm just gonna. Yeah. I'm not gonna do much else because I'm. Yeah. Not doing much else. Okay, yeah. Let's make sure we don't have any stupid codes where we don't want them. More, a little, just a second. Yeah, sorry again, my dad had to call me because he's watching the stream and he's like, hey, do I have to do anything? No, we're not going to deploy in production immediately. That will be horrifying. Alright, I'm going to stay here for a little bit more, see if I'm going to do the classrooms thing or not. But, yeah. These are kind of interesting on how exactly I'm going to do them because these, now all the schedule here that we see, all this is going to have to fit into this thing. And it's funny, the first time we had like I used like normal, like, what was it? Tables here, right? Normal bootstrap tables. Where are the tables? Table. And I try to use these to make like the calendar program for what the teachers are going to be doing. And I'm just straight up like, okay, there's got to be somebody who's already solved this problem. So Google Charts. If you guys wanted to use charts on HTML, JavaScript, stuff like that, look, these guys have really good stuff. Like Google Charts. I know Google has like a habit of not holding on stuff, but look at these. Look. They even can have animations and stuff. It's beautiful. You can even have tables, you know. So yeah, and because they had the calendar here, I just used that calendar. I just have to figure out what kind of data I'm going to be having here. The good thing about a lot of stuff in here is that it's going to be very easy to... Hey, I'm going to put this here and put that there. So let's see, classrooms. What should classrooms be like? It should be just like the other ones where they have details. Yeah, so these things, yeah. Nav bars and sidebars. Let's... yeah, just like them. Let's do this. Dashboards, login, students, teachers, and now a new view called classrooms. Classrooms. So here we're gonna just grab the whole thing. Auto load all classrooms. I'm gonna hide you now because you're not gonna be doing anything right now. Let's see. What was that again? Not the teacher's thing. You know what? I wanna stop playing these. Zach, are you still watching? You're still watching, right? Also, like the stream and leave a comment. He wanted to promote your stream, get people to subscribe, and hit that notification button. You do that gangster shit, man. Yeah, no, we're not gonna listen to this anymore. We're gonna listen to this playlist called, what is it called? SQL Injection, woo! By Apollo TKOG. Shout out to our boy Zach, right here. So let's see. Let us leave. Let us see. So now classrooms, yeah, it's not doing anything because it's not showing doing the thing. Oopsie. Yeah. Name there. Class name. Signed teacher. This might be a little tricky, but not. Not teachers. Classrooms. Alright, so now the sidebar. Yeah, so these now. Oh, by the way, don't you dare talk shit to me for using HTMX. I know exactly what I'm doing and why I'm doing it, right? This is not something we're proud of. This is not something we care. I don't think it's ever gonna work line with the... Huh! Worked. There we go. So now, just like, what's your code? Teachers, what's the teachers? I should... later. I'll figure this out later. Because I'm gonna have to do the whole HTML template stuff and all that stuff. I will talk shit for you. Have you updated the list at all? No. No. Are you talking about this list with the notifications list? Also, you should know we have a big delay. I don't know how many things I added, man. I added a few things. Like, look, there's stuff here. Come on. Oh, we got these, man. These are good. These are really good. Anybody who loves Red Alert soundtrack or Alexander Brandon from Unreal Tournament, Jazz Jackrabbit, and all that shit, you can watch my playlist, guys. I got go watch playlist, guys. And also we have this one. Now we're playing this one. 100 Dimensions, baby. Mwah. Now, classrooms work perfect. Now we have this. Teachers was here. Okay, so teachers was here, and it's loading all teachers. Auto load all teachers. Now it's gonna be here. Auto load all classrooms. So let's undo load all classrooms. And this function doesn't exist. Why doesn't it exist? Because we need to make it. Load all teachers there. That's where the load all teachers is, and this is where it loads their calendars. I'm just gonna put here. Why not? This to-do is gonna stay there until the end of the project for real. No. Room details. What did I call this again? Yo, bitch, but not now, man. Gotta call you later. Later. Oh, good. Jeez. Let's see how much bullshit. Ah, there we go. This is all the bullshit the AI managed to think of. Thank you, AI, for whatever this was. I'm thankful that it made an async function, which because we needed to make an async function. But this is not the stuff we want to do on the thing, so yeah. Okay. Now there is we need the role-based access control for this, cause I'm gonna look at this later, but we also need to do this RBUC. We need to do RBUC at some point, but so far the good thing with using Pocket Base, I'll prepare some most of it. Ooh, got something to do. Beer, got something. There's like, the good thing about Pocket Base, yours is just like an already existing collection with things for authentication and stuff, but also, check this out. Boom. You can do it on your collections. So teachers, students, and stuff like that. So we get collections, and you can add rules to them. So like, only teachers may edit, and only students may do. Because you can do all that stuff server side as you want. Let's see. Classroom created, get full list, and then I didn't do it in the other thing. I did it like this. For each, yes, get a tv.inhtml, yes. Oh boy. That's not what it was called. It's called this. Classroom details. Ah, I get it. So this is probably in here too. What is it? That's, yeah. So I should not have said the thing to later. This will be done later. This will be done way later. Yes. Element first name. No. Class name, right? What was it? Name. Just name. Teacher.id is gonna be now. This is gonna be interesting. Okay. Teacher. Yo, back. Hello, Damilare Ossi Banjo. Sorry for butchering that. Oh boy. Why not a JavaScript framework? Very simple. I actually want to rant about this. I did not want to use a JavaScript framework. Yeah, there's no need. In my mind, adding React, Angular, or whatever is actually. You know what? Fuck this. Let's start talking real shit. Let's start talking shit. Check this out. I have this little project that I did. Never touched it again. It's Angular, right? But as soon as you put this, that's the problem. The problem is this: as soon as you put this package JSON in GitHub, you get, oh my god, like the Dependabot. These are all made by a single bot that just looks at it. And it says, oh, you need to update it. We got this critical vulnerability, this critical. And if you fall for it and you actually merge those pull requests and update your libraries, doesn't work no more. Doesn't work anymore. Things will change all the time. And not to say that Pocket Base is safe from criticism. Pocket Base actually did break my where are they? Here, migrations. Look at this thing. Oh goodness. Oh, look at all this garbage. And this is all just for the collection so that we can have all the things that we wear. And that's the long answer. The short answer is I'm also using HTMX. So we're not using Java. We're not using the JavaScript framework. We're just using the shittiest JavaScript framework. It's not the shittiest JavaScript framework. Okay, no, sorry. HTMX is really cool. But it's a little just. So now we made this one. Yeah, that one. Teacher. Let me see what this will do. Will this do anything? I'm guessing it's already. Yes. I'm so glad when things are erroring. Oops. Let's what was here? Yeah, load classroom details. No, load classrooms. That was what it was called. Load all classrooms. Yes, here we go. Yes. And then we can have. No, I'll stick to it later. Like I said, later. One by one. My dad said, don't do everything all at once. Don't do everything all at once. Oops. Ooh. Oh, do I not have... there we go. Now we gotta modify the role-based access control. So, nope. Cancel. Yes. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the same as these ones, where yeah, teachers can see everything. But this is so cool. Okay, so this is so cool. Nothing. It crashed because 4 or 3 forbidden. We are not allowed to, as teachers, see the classroom data because it is not been yet specified that classroom data can be seen by anyone other than this. See, this is not unlocked to set custom rules. This is my custom rule. 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 And now, boom! There we go. Different error message, but yeah, similar. Details. What the heck? I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Yeah, I should have this not be there, or rather, I should just do the right thing. Cause wait, I did the for each on classrooms. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this. Yeah. Go away. Booch. And yeah, we're gonna do this because that's what we actually need. And this one, by the way, I don't know if it's even necessary. What you guys talking about? All right, I understand. He needs to change chat to see chat, so bear with it a bit. So it's server rendered, right? Okay, so this index.html, this is running client side, right? So everything here that's already been received here. And Pocket Base, actually, yeah, Pocket Base, where is it? Has a SDK for, oops, no. Where's the SDK? You have JavaScript, yeah, you have a JavaScript SDK, and Dart SDK as well. And so you can do stuff like that for the front end, so for the HTML pages that you have and all the JavaScript that you run in there, but it also has this thing here, the extending Pocket Base. You can run JavaScript stuff on your server. Yeah, so right now, yeah, all this stuff where it's collecting and rendering the pages you're going to be seeing in the front here, some of them is server-side, yeah. So a lot of this stuff is server-side, a lot of stuff is, it's a mix. Ah, there we go. All I had to do is just delete that thing and now it's working. Yay. And none of the other things work, but that's to be expected. But I would like to change this to not be an ID. What's that, not a number thingy? What the heck? Where's the phone number? Not this one, that's not the one. Teacher age, that's definitely not it. Element that, what was it? Oh, no, level. Just level and just level and room. Just level and vroom. Vroom vroom. I like it when room goes vroom vroom. Wow, my first time hearing about Pocket Base, to be honest. Legitimately, like, a good thing. For any of you who want to know what it is and just, this is it. And it's one of the best things ever. So I don't know if you guys watch Fireship, go subscribe. But you should go and watch, subscribe, and like everything they do, except for their latest videos because they're just saturated with AI BS. But Pocket Base is an alternative to Supabase, Firebase, all of those real-time database backend as a service things. So this is what Pocket Base is.
It is September 13th, 2022, and you're watching The Code Report. Last Friday, I made a video about Firebase alternatives, and you guys were quick to let me know that I left out a very important project called Pocket Base. Well, I tried it out, and it kind of blew my mind. As soon as I landed on the homepage and saw this cool proximity hover effect where the eyes follow your cursor, I was sold on it. At first glance, it looks very similar to Supabase, something with a real-time relational database, authentication, file storage, and so on, that's built entirely with open source software, unlike the Godfather Firebase, which requires proprietary Google software. It looks like other bases at first glance, but it's actually very different under the hood, and I think it has the potential to be the ultimate side project backend. Let's go ahead and compare it to something like Supabase. The first thing you'll notice is that it's written in the Go programming language, as opposed to TypeScript for Supabase.
However you feel about Go and
but
whatever.
things in Go do tend to be faster. It also uses Svelte for its admin UI, while Supabase uses React and Firebase uses Angular. That's totally meaningless, but just kind of interesting. For client-side SDKs, it supports JavaScript and Dart, which means it's usable on web, desktop, and mobile. What's really interesting about Pocketbase, though, is the database. Instead of something like Postgres or MySQL, it directly embeds SQLite into the executable and runs it in wall mode, which stands for write-ahead logging. My initial thought was you can't use SQLite in production, but actually that's a misconception. SQLite is an underappreciated option for small to medium-sized projects. Surprisingly, in wall mode, it actually outperforms other relational databases, especially in a read-heavy app, and I'm sure it'll work perfectly fine for your side project that's destined to fail.
And then talks about the scalability, but we don't care about this. But yeah,
in fact, you have to self-host it.
You have to self-host it. And that was the idea. I wanted to use this because it's like, then, Fireship Speak, yeah! We love him. That's why I want to use Pocketbase, because it's for small to medium-sized project. It's not heavy enough. And I'm not going to be running this on a big cloud weird thing. Like, the person on the phone was my dad, and he was like, hey, where are we going to be running and doing this thing? Hey, there we go. Hey, Adrian Freedom. And I'm like, look, man, we can legitimately like host this on a... Let me show you the server that this thing is going to run on. This is the server. It's a laptop that has one of the... It still has this. It still has this. That's the server that's going to be running this program. My dad formatted it and put Linux on it, and I'm like... Okay, now it's a server. So I run it in Docker? Not yet. If and when finally I get something that's okay to be on GitHub. Right now, this is on GitHub, by the way, guys. It's one of the worst things I've ever done in my life. Putting this on GitHub. And eventually, I'll be able to host it on a Docker container. And that's, by the way, how you'll be able to scale it, I think. No, it doesn't feature horizontal. You cannot do horizontal scaling. You can only do vertical scaling. Sorry. Now, I'm not going to be doing a lot more, and I'm going to be popping off for a little bit. So thank you guys for sitting here and watching this. I'm going to check now. We're loading the classrooms. Now I'm going to be loading the teachers' names and maybe some extra data, just so we can able to do this, recursively. Hey, this many classes, this many teachers, these classes, and stuff like that. So let's make a const teachers. Now, this won't be exactly what it is. No get full list. It will not be get full list. It should be the other thing. Losing my mind. I'm not even in. Yeah, where was it? Alright. There is. This is get full list. I think it's in here, right? No, where was it? I like being very stupid right now. This is... I'm supposed to be looking at... where is it? What? This fucking base.io. Jesus. And also another reason is because I wanted to promote Pocketbase. It's in version 0.350 right now, and you guys should check that out for sure. For small to medium sized project, it's really damn good. Oh, thank you. Thank you for the follow. Home labbing, damn peak home labbing. That's literally find your phone, your broken phone, root it and turn it into a server. That's omega male levels of I don't give a fuck. There, bitch. Okay, collection operations, right? So find all record operations. Yes, sorry. So get. No. Brain just doesn't want to compose right now. Fetch single collection. No, okay. Binary, sorry. Records. Fetch records. Fetch single records. Fetch record by ID. Wait, this is in here, not in the thing. Why am I having a hard time with this? This is weird. Because we get full list. I'm looking at the, yeah, that's why I'm looking at the wrong freaking thing. Where is the single? Yeah, there you go. Okay. Oh, okay. All right. So apparently, for individual IDs, I just don't do. I just pipe it. Okay, so I'm just gonna pipe it. So yeah, this one. This is, by the way, definitely not gonna be the correct way of doing this thing. Oh no. No, I don't like doing it the wrong way. Let's. You should try out Vim Motions, by the way. It pick Vim Motions. I would really know. Yeah, I know. Okay, so yeah, all the standard Vim keyboard layout. Okay, yeah. As soon as I become a normal person and stop using Visual Studio to code for everything like a dumbass. PB color. Okay, so PB, the SDK. Yeah, I'm looking at the wrong commands because these are not the things I'm supposed to be looking at. I'm supposed to be looking at APIs, rules and filters, collections. How to use Bucket Base? Yeah, sorry. Why not HTMX hardware? Oh shit. Not some tools are commonly used. It will become at some point where I'm gonna remove Pocket Base, but another time. Collection operations, first one, no. And again, yeah, I don't know. It's because I just don't want to touch this. That's not what I want. Yeah, that's the idea. I don't want to use this thing. I use the other thing. If anybody can tell me that I'm doing something wrong, that is for sure. Like I'm not paying attention because like, jeez. Oh my goodness, they're all this stuff. Web API, Jesus freaking Christ. Okay, so collections, yeah, okay, so collections, yeah, records, okay, yeah, that's one. So I'm just an idiot. All right, view record, yeah, list search record. I want to do like get single item. I'm gonna just get single item. I want it to be all of one. I don't want to query for stuff. Get list items, get full list, get list, list and search. View record, get one. Record ID. Yeah, okay, so get. Why didn't I do this? That was a very easy thing to do. Let's get the. No more music. Let's put this music on. Okay, now you get to talk shit as much as you want. Yeah. Get one. Was it? Yeah, get one. So basically we're gonna have this. Let's add another. I'm gonna add another classroom and another teacher just so I can do this a little easier. Something other than they were born literally yesterday. No. 555-4202. Shout out if anybody knows where this phone number is from. Schedule's gonna be just a minute. And these are good. Yeah, and these things I'm gonna have to add cross references so we can do them properly. Another teacher, and now another classroom for the other teacher. So name is gonna be English, and the teacher is going to be yeah, that one, the new one. Level B, C, room 1. There we go. Alright, so they're here. That's still good. I don't do front-end development much, so all this kind of new to me. All I do is follow tutorials for front-end development. You know what? I legit don't know what good practices are for front-ends. And it's scary. It's scary. Like, again, I did not mention what, but this illegal shit that we did earlier, I can't find it now, but that illegal shit is like stuff that, like, you can run JavaScript. You can this is the first time I met anything front end was with PHP, because we were doing it for our university classes. And the first thing I did was like, here's a page of HTML and you can add comments. So you could like type a comment and the PHP front end stuff would just handle that for you. But there was literally zero processing, formatting, sanitation. It just took what you wrote and it showed it. So if you were writing H1 tags for header 1, it would appear as big letters. It would appear as a header 1. And if you wrote JavaScript alert, as soon as you load the page and as soon as you load the comment, it would show a little alert. So yeah, things like that. And I'm just scratching the surface. This is bad stuff with everything. Anyway, now. The idea is to do a for loop. This is the part where it's gonna be stupid. This is the part where I'm pretty sure this is a bad idea, but it doesn't matter. Let's do it. For each, yes. Sorry, yeah, records for each. We're gonna do this. Teacher, basically teacher. So element get one with element dot id. Wait, no, regular element. Yeah, no, yeah, I think so. Yeah, teacher just this. Log to, yeah, yeah. There we go. Have fun. Let's see now. Back to where we are. Teachers doing their thing. Perfect. Classrooms. Now. Oh, that's oh shoot. I didn't do the thing. Load all classrooms. Classrooms, right? freaking console. Right. Yep. Ah, yeah. So alright, yeah. If anybody noticed what the mistake was, you get a cookie. But shit, god damn it. Then teacher, yeah, yeah, we know. That was the mistake. Then get one thing, yeah, then console like your fucking teacher. God damn it. No, don't do this thing. Again. Was not found. Okay. Okay, that's interesting. Interesting. Okay, but here we also should be. This should also be the. Oh, fuck off! Yep. Should also be seeing that one too. And all that shit. Yeah. Collection name, yeah. ID is this and teacher is that. So these teachers do exist for sure. Okay. This is the time I use ALM. Yeah. But look, you sometimes you might find a lot by looking. Oh, what's this little tiny problem here? Sometimes you can find a lot. You will find a lot. I encourage you. Search, look for little details, little things. You will be surprised. For not found, but teacher collection is like console log. Opa. Yes. App here belongs to this, yes. Okay, there. Teacher records, this one not found. Where? Why? This is bizarre to me. Like these classrooms here have this. They know what this is. This is here, and this is this one. Why can it not find the teacher? Okay, wait, let me just format this a little cleaner because I hate this notation things. Fuck. So we get the full list of classrooms, and for each element in the classrooms we get its teacher part here. Yeah, I really don't understand why this thing is doing this. This is weird. Oh, wait a minute, wait, what the heck? You know what, also I really want to stop doing this and do it a little normally, because this is also going to be faster. 4. Yes. Yeah, baby. Oh yeah, exactly. By the way, for loops faster than for each. So apparently that's something we should keep in mind then. Good, yeah. Okay, oh, never mind. They're on its own. See that? See that? All this stuff gets so completed on its own by AI. It's creepy. It's weird. It's cool, I guess, but Now it still won't find it. It still won't find it. How is that possible? Why is that possible? The stupid the stupid part is that normally like you can like if I do a curl what's this thing? Oops. Oops. Oh, amazing. Hold on, then I need that. Not found. Not found. I'm legitimately confused right now. The open is not even doing it. Shouldn't have to open. Damn shit. Have you ever tried vibe coding 2? Anything other than nothing other than ChatGPT and whatever this stupid auto-completing thing is with Visual Studio Code. I'm taking a little break right now because I'm legit confused. Sorry guys. I'm not good thing for me to respond to your guys' things. Yeah, I hate front-end dev. Also back front-end, man, front-end is weird. Imagine you have to be here looking at the inspect. And you can like touch up, you can like do live the CSS and change the things here, and it's all cool and shit, but it's the thing. What's your favorite language? Python for me, says Zach. I haven't used it that long, but really love it so far. I did my thesis with it. Yes, you did, you monster. Oh, try OpenCode. I also used Python on my thesis too, and that's the thing with Python. You can do everything with it. It's just that sometimes when it has that one annoying thing that it doesn't do, it busts your balls. For me, it's anything that has to do with running things on the system or handling pip install, like libraries and stuff. I think I heard about. I think I heard about this. I think Fireship talked about this one. Yeah, OpenCode. Yeah, for me, favorite languages is definitely Python, C, and Java. And I think the order would be C, Python, Java. Sorry, C, Java, Python. In that order. Those are my favorites. Oh wait, I'm pretty sure I'm being stupid. I'm 100% sure I'm being stupid right now. Yeah, I'm 100% sure I'm being stupid. List collections. So collect records. List batch view, the auth record actions, verification, personate, expand. Yeah. So what is the system? Professional defines a specific filter. Yes. But we want also the expand. I want this, whatever this is. No, this wasn't for the thing. So supports up to 6 level deadness and relations expansions. Only the relations which will request the provisions to view. Okay, so basically I have to tell it, hey, I also want the teachers. So classroom get full list. Yeah, and then expand. All right. All these were right. Yeah, sort method. Okay, yes. So all of them are in the same level of the. So I'm pretty sure I won't be even needing to do this. So this. Teacher. Now, I think I know what's gonna happen right now. This is gonna be quite. I think. Never mind. Still not found. Still not found. Oh wait, what the heck? Why is it not found? It shouldn't be. Wrong ass freaking thing's loading. Okay, let me just reload the CMS again. There it worked. And assigned teacher is still like that. Okay. Just a simple little console. Yes. Oh no. No, it's not. No. That is not what I was thinking it was going to. Okay, wait, okay, comma separates string of the fields to return in the JSON response. By default runs all fields, yes, but relations. What about relations? Yeah, that's what I'm working with relations. Relations. Okay, this one's with. We did have some lessons for ML. That's about it. Didn't do much more with it. Preferred to do some game development. Blood chose the fun part. I'm gonna do the unit still in high. This year still in high school, so didn't know about the fact you do thesis for bachelor's. Yep. Thesis. Yeah, your diploma, or your big project, your final project. I think we call it a thesis for PhDs, but yeah. Now, expand user. Nested relation references in expand are supported via dot notation of the 6th level. Yeah, but so get listing and expand user. I did. That's what I typed, isn't it? Expand teacher. I have to write it like this. Really? I don't think so. Shit. Yeah, that's the thing. That's not what I want. I want the thing to expand the freaking teacher. Why is it not? It is a relation. It is a. It's relation, yeah, relations to this thing cancel. Okay, yes, I want to cancel whatever I just did. Shit, what the fuck? I'm pretty sure this is just gonna make it crash and just not show all the other ones, right? Yeah, undefined, undefined, undefined. To list all comments with their user relations expand, we do the following. Collection get list. Back relations. The following notation is used. Reference log via rel field. What the heck? There's a list of posts that have at least one comments record containing the word hello. Okay. Okay. This still is stupid. It makes no sense. Get list. Is that what I had to refer? No. Get full list. Expand teacher. Why won't you do it? Why won't you? Why won't you work? Why are you gay? Hey, hey. Expand. Prototype idea and stuff like that. That's not what I want though. It's not what I want. I want it to expand, yes. Working with relations. Single relationship. Yeah, this thing. Yeah, we can create. Okay, and that's created. Pretend append multiple relationships. Yes, yes, yes. Remove. Yes, but I want to. By using the expand query parameter. Expand equals what? They're not even writing them in ways that make sense. Pretty sure that's not what it's supposed to. It's wanting or something. Depends on the union country. I'm going to use brain work, brain work, brain work. Come on, come on, come on. We got this, we got this, we got this, we got this. Failed to apply default enrich. Oh, okay. This right. So parameters expand. Okay, so we got collection or ID name and record ID name. Yeah, we got this one. Okay, view record that, get that. But we have the expand. Okay. Okay, yeah, this is the part where we use it. What do we call this thing? Just go. Wait a minute. Okay. Wait a minute. I think they all write it differently. They're not what they're writing like the words. Where did I miss it? Or I already made. 130, then expand that. Okay. Then expand that. Yeah. Will this work? I don't think this won't. That's not even gonna work. It's not even gonna work. It's not even gonna work. This is just a reverse psychology trick. It's not gonna work. Not gonna work. Not gonna work. Not gonna work. Okay. That I'm glad it crashed. I'm glad it crashed. At least that means something didn't work. Oh, don't you dare tell me that. Okay, yeah, it's I must worry for a bit. So teachers still nothing, but now we're getting a whole bunch of other shit. Great. I'm pretty sure this is a pocket-based thing. Like something just doesn't work there as it should be. Oh man. Fetch a page in the record list. It's supposed under the expand. It's not there though. It's not there. Constructor has property value of name value of. What the fuck are these things? That's not what it wants, okay. Expanding relations and searching and nested relations do something special. So we'll have to do it in a for loop. Alright. Alright. Good enough. Good enough for me. There's no fucking no. Jesus. So yeah, we can't do anything of the just get it over here. Hey, hey, hey. Right after this, I'm gonna hit the sack, guys. Thank you so much for being here with me and watching all this. And I wish more people would like to explore Pocket Base. Let's try this a few little tests here. And after that, I'm gonna be ending the stream. So, here, and here. Oof, there it goes. Exactly what I want you to. I want you to crash and burn. I want you to crash and burn. In spectacular ways. Spectacular. Again, these, and okay. Alright. Console element, and you cannot find the teacher for a very simple element that the .teacher part is not being able to be found, okay? Now, here's my idea. Here's my question. So my question is, no. We're in here. This is the teacher ID. We know this is the teacher. We know this. No. Now, and it's getting it, but it doesn't want to get the one. Collections, view collections. that's not what I needed. I need this. API collections, API records, view record. Have this. Await, get record, expand. To come on the views on the view rule. It can be restricted, yeah, but just like the rest of them, you do show these one. Recursive wasn't found. The requested resource wasn't found. Okay, so I'm gonna end the stream here, apparently. So, not much else I'm gonna do. We'll see if I'm gonna continue this project more. If you wish to check it out, you can check out the GitHub repository. It's this thing. Whatever this thing is, I'm gonna take this and just put it in the just for whatever. So I'm glad you guys enjoyed it. If you did, or if you didn't, and I hope to see you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching me play with Pocket Base and JavaScript and all that shiz. So have a nice weekend, or have a nice night, day, whatever. Bye bye.